In this video, I will show you how to watch movies with your friends on Discord. First, open the Discord application on your PC. Make sure you're using the desktop app instead of Discord in your web browser. Click on User Settings, scroll down to System, and disable Hardware Acceleration. Discord may ask you to restart the application, so click Restart. Next, join the server where you want to watch the movie with your friends and enter a voice channel. Then open the browser tab where your movie is playing. Return to the Discord app and click Share Your Screen. Select the application or browser window where the movie is playing, then click Share Screen. Open the stream settings and make sure Share Stream Audio is enabled so your friends can hear the movie's sound. You can also adjust the stream quality based on your preference and internet connection. Once everything is set up, your friends in the voice channel will be able to watch the stream with you. And that's how you can watch movies with your friends on Discord.